So today we are gonna head down to the beach.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have a little bit of beach day today. So
Let's go pack our stuff. Pack our sunblock.
So the darker bag's gonna be mine, Tenley's, and the lighter bag's gonna be Scott. So now that we packed our sunblock,
Let's grab some water.
we each got a gallon of water so that we can refill their water bottles.
Next we have a big bag of chips.
And then we have
A
our
towel
beach
to-
towels.
so we can sunbathe. And then we have 3 towels for. So let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Sorry about that, you guys. Let's go.
Come on, guys. Oh no!
I got it.
That's okay. Here.
It was kind of a pain in the butt getting here, but we made it work.
Okay. We're gonna put our baskets on these chairs. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna go find a spot. So you guys wait over here. So Ivy and Stella, you guys can wait over there, or Stella, you can just wait over there. Whatever you guys want. And then we're gonna go find our spot. Okay, so we can be right here.
Okay, I'm gonna grab our stuff. And we're just I'm gonna suntan at least one. But I'm gonna swim with the kids if you wanna come.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh. Okay, come on.
Okay, do you guys want to eat some food first just to make sure you guys are all energized?
No, I'm good. Let's go.
Let's go swimming!
Look, there's fishes.
Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Okay, so let's go get a snack, guys. We've been swimming for about like 30 minutes.
You guys wanna go a little deeper real fast and then we can swim back?
No, we're gonna go eat a snack.
Okay, we're gonna go a little deeper.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Shark! Oh my gosh, there's sharks! Run! Run, guys! Run, run, run! Run, run! Oh my gosh, guys, what's going on? You guys literally just woke my suntan and I'm so mad at you. What's going on that could possibly need to wake my suntan?
There was just a shark.
Really? You really want to bet on that?
Let's go.
Okay, I'm coming with you guys because I know
There's not
for
a
a fact.
There's not a shark.
Yeah, there's not a shark. Okay, guys, let's go. I know for a fact.
I'm just gonna go by myself.
Yeah,
I just don't want to deal with them.
Oh my god! There actually is a shark! Come on, we need to go. Come on, guys. We need to evacuate from this beach immediately.
We can get ice cream. We can get ice cream to calm ourselves down. Yeah.
Okay, but then we
We need to go.
okay, let's get some ice cream. I just want I want a vanilla and chocolate, and it will look nice and aesthetic.
I'm making Ivy's right now. I'm just gonna have vanilla ice cream with a little cocoa stick for sugar. Just eat that.
Okay, guys, thank you so much.
For watching this video.
No, guys, thank you so much for giving us this ice cream. Okay, yeah, of course.
Okay, let's go get our stuff and leave.
This is the intercom of the beach. This is from the ice cream. Everyone needs to evacuate immediately. There is a shark, and he could be hurting every single person's life. Run as fast as you can. Oh my gosh, we need to go. Wait, we need to get our stuff.
Grab the baby. Okay, Cat's okay. You have everyone? Okay.
Let's go. We need to go. Please evacuate immediately. Oh my gosh.
Maybe we can go to the hotel?
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Because it was right next to the ocean, so it looks like we're gonna be staying here tonight.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get a room.
Okay, I'll go up.
Just get 2 rooms?
We can get one room. It will save us money.
Can we get one room?
Okay, what's the biggest room you guys had? 3 is the biggest room. I meant room 2. Okay, then we'll take room 2 key. Okay.
And if it's not big enough, just let us know and we can give you one because we heard of the shark. So you guys get the hotel for free, including food.
Okay, thank you guys so much.
Ready?
Oh my gosh, let's go, guys.
Sorry about that. Indy was just crying. Wait, let's try to all fit in this elevator first.
Finally, we got up to our room, and let's go. We actually registered this room, so we kind of...
Oh, there's people in here.
Don't worry, guys. We'll leave. We heard about the shark. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. Martha. Okay, where's Martha? Okay, Martha. Oh my gosh, Emily. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, well,
That was weird.
I think I'm gonna put the girls down for a nap.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang my bag up real quick.
Okay, so me too.
Go here,
The baby's in the bag.
and then let's put the key right there.
Oh, my bag didn't hang up, but it's okay.
Here, I'll hang it.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Let's get the kids down for the nap.
Okay. Do you guys think this is big enough?
Yeah. Let's just
The older one's on the top?
let's put the oh my gosh, I forgot to get my crib. Let's put them on top.
The older one's on bottom? Do we trust that, or do you want to put them in the crib and me and
Who we can put them in the crib, and then who wants to sleep on this bed and who wants to sleep in the master?
me and my husband will sleep on this bed?
Okay. Let's all take them and we can put them down for a nap.
And then I think the hotel has dinner, like the lady said.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. You won't lay down? Okay.
She can lay in the bed. That's fine. Let's just put her in the bed down here.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Totally okay. Should we get the other room too? Or do you think we'll be okay?
I think we'll be
It's just
okay.
one night, hopefully, until they can get the shark on,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Is there anything else near this place?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay. This really does suck.
Yeah, it does.
You guys want to go downstairs and grab some food for the family for tonight?
Yeah, let's go.
How about we have our husbands stay here?
Yeah, you guys stay. Okay, we'll just head
We're gonna grab dinner.
Okay, let's go down.
Custom order on our phones so the food could just be ready when we're out. This
Okay.
is a really nice hotel, so if you ever get stranded like us, come here. You're gonna grab your stuff there. I'm gonna grab this for the baby. I'm probably just gonna get her some fruit, if I'm being honest. Why is this plate not moving? Okay, here we go. So I got myself a salad. I got her, the baby nuggets, and then them some. Wait, actually, they gave me an extra burger. Would you like it?
Sure.
Here you go. Or do you want nuggets?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, let's go ahead.
I'm gonna get fruit for Indy.
Okay.
Do you want anything?
No, I think I'm good. Okay, let's go head back upstairs and
Hey, there's toothbrushes and toothpaste. Do you need that for tonight?
yeah, let's take them. So your family can take one because we're kind of stranded here. It's
Oh, let's get toothpaste too.
and then we can share toothpaste.
But they said that everything's free because of the streaming, and they know that it was really unexpected, and that so the thing about the beach is that they make sure there's no sharks because they have a little gate, but the gate got broken because there were storms. So good times. Let's go upstairs.
We've been here for a while just because of the stranding.
But luckily everything was free. Oh, here you go. Let's make some dinner. Are the girls still sleeping?
Yeah.
Are they gonna eat?
Yeah, they are. We just had to get them. Okay.
Let's wake them up.
Yeah. Let's go wake them up and eat a really quick dinner.
Girls, wake up.
I hear mommy. Yeah, I hear mommy too.
Let's grab the other baby.
Yeah, let's
grab Kenzel. Okay. Here's Kenzel. Let's go. Okay.
Okay, so you guys
the
can
babies.
sit on these stools. Me and Scarlett can just stand.
Yeah, I got this chicken
Okay.
salad. So Sorry. Trajan. Oh my gosh, their food what they're eating.
Got their
Matches their
hamburger.
outfit.
She got
There you
her
go.
food, and then you got that.
You're feeding my husband to me. Anywho, yeah.
Okay, let's stack these plates up and throw them away.
Yeah, there's paper. Okay, it's been a really long night, and
We're just gonna brush our teeth. We don't really have any clothes here, but
so we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
yeah. Oh, it's time to wake up. Let's hope that our parents get done. Let's just go.
Everything okay, girls?
Yeah, we're just waiting in here.
Okay, tell me, wake up. You guys, this morning, in like the middle of the night, I got a call saying that the shark was gone, so we can go home.
Yes.
So the shark was gone, you guys, so we can finally go home. Thank you for watching this video, and we're so sorry that it didn't go as planned. And yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that we get even more content like this.
And keep on checking your notifications so you know when there's like videos like surprises just like this guy. Bye. Bye, you guys.